Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing stomach massage reach back. So in my stomach massage round video, I showed you how you can get into the exercise, and from there you would just transition into stomach massage reach back. So I'm not going to show you those two setups. So please watch that video for that information, because all you would do is just be from the round to the reach back, and you're not going to actually change your pad around or anything. So let me just show you a quick transition. If you are on 4 springs, you would take off the 4th spring on your final round back. So you're here for your round, you press out, you lower lift. As you come in, you reach down and place your hands back, and you try to keep moving. That's the goal. If you're new, don't let this scare you, okay? So anyway, at any rate, get down to 3 springs. Hands go wide. First of all, ideally they're straight back, but if I do that, my shoulders round forward. So I actually go towards the corners. Now I know some people do fists. I'd rather you not do fists. I'd rather you hold the shoulder block lower, or get a Kuna board from a Cadillac or a foam roller and hold it with your shoulders wide. Because going from low to high is just like not going to be possible. But if you're already high and wide, you can get narrower and narrower, okay? So hands back, same position as the round with the legs. You're just going to push out, lower lift the heels only as much as the heels can stay together, and then you focus on keeping the heels up. Pro tip, when you bend your knee, make sure it's separate from the heel lifting. So as I go down, up, then bend, right? You don't lift your heels and your knees at the same time. And then you would go from here to taking a spring off and going into the reach up, which I'll show in the next tutorial. So give that a try and really focus on your arms reaching from your back. If you want hip circles to be in your practice, you gotta make sure you're not sinking in your shoulders, locking your elbows, or just hanging out in your joints in this exercise. Work on reaching those arms from the back. I promise you, it makes for such an amazing Pilates practice. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching these. If you want to play with these with me at onlinepilatesclasses.com, I always make sure that we challenge ourselves with our stomach massage series in most of our weekly reformer classes. Thank you so much for watching.